I just bought a car that technically should be in a junkyard. This is my slightly used 2008 Honda CR-V. Back in her heyday, she used to look like this. But after being used and abused, she was left with some horrible scars. So today I'm going to tell you why I bought it, show you all the damages, and tell you what I plan to do with this car. Now the first step of business is to go over all the damage. As you can see from the front of the vehicle, it's a lot going on. The two major eyesores is this hood and the windshield. Now as you can see with this hood, it does have quite a bit of damage. It's a huge dent right here in this section of the hood, as you can see. And quite frankly, I don't think it can be pulled out. And if it can, I really don't feel like doing it because there's plenty of dents on this car that we're gonna have to figure out. And this one being the size that it is, more than likely this whole hood has to be replaced. So if we open it up also, you can see the bulge coming in right here. It's even pushing this down. You can most definitely tell that something failed, either coming this way or landing that way. More than likely landing that way because of the huge dent in the windshield. Now, speaking of the windshield, I don't know what happened to this thing. I don't know if somebody's girlfriend or ex-girlfriend got mad, took a sledgehammer and started going crazy because it's a big old dent here, another like mini one here, and then another one over here. And this windshield is safe to say this thing is done for. Like, it's so much glass in the inside on the dashboard that this thing, it has to come out, it has to be replaced. And we have to clean up all the glass in the inside as well. So safe to say, most definitely, this thing has to come out. And as you can see on the edges, along with the trimming supposed to go, is missing. And lovely dents as well. So most definitely the windshield has to go. Now moving along to this door, as you can see, well, it has a lot of damage. At least we got the mirror, but we don't have it on that side, and that's okay. This door here is heavily damaged. You can see the big dents right here. Most definitely gonna have to get this thing replaced. As you can see, all the trimming in the inside is damaged. Here at the top, it got a peak, and on the outside needs to go out, and it's actually kind of stuck. So it's not opening. So we're gonna have to use a lot of force to get this door open and most definitely get this thing replaced. At least the bottom, hold on. Got a little dent here as well. So, yep. Two doors here, we gotta fix, replace, maybe pull that out. I was scanning the rest of the body of the car. It doesn't really look bad. Everything looks like it's good and intact. But as you come over here, you can see the damage of the rear bumper. So it's a crack here. It's a big crack here. As you can see, the whole panel is moving, and down here as well. So, and it's a little bit of scuff on the bottom portion here. So that whole thing has to go. And then coming around the driver's side, yeah, dent there, dent there, dent here, and of course going down the A-pillar. And one right here, and another one on that side. Now coming into the interior, you can see this thing, well, man, it had better days. As you can see right now, most definitely super dirty. Just check out the carpet. It's a little bit of mold in there, a little bit of dirt. As you can see, the seats are in good condition. They're really not bad considering the year of the vehicle. As you can see, the previous owner is actually a smoker, unless their buddy was in the car and they was smoking a whole pack of cigarettes. So if y'all want some cigarettes, comment down below, I'll mail it to you. Checking out the back of the car, it's really not too bad. We do have some trim pieces back here that we can use. Here's the other mirror, and it's 100% busted, so we cannot use that. So the back seat is not that bad. Let's go into the trunk area. The trunk area is not bad at all. Just the standard dirt, nothing too major. That'll clean up good. Now that we went over everything on this car, let's go over and jot down the things that we need. All right, so we need a hood. We need a windshield. We need a rear bumper. We need a passenger door. We need a driver's side mirror. Most definitely a detail. And we also need a passenger side window. And lastly, we need to repair the dents. Now I'm going to go on a hunt to find the parts that we need to repair this car. But honestly, I think she has a lot of life left to give. And honestly, I think she just needs me to come along, dress her up nicely, and send her back to the streets. Kind of like Captain Save-A-Ho, or Captain Save-A-Car, or just me, your boy K. Like, comment, and subscribe.